friend, how are you? I hope you all are well. And today we start next exercise 6.3. Before exercise we discuss the theorem first. The sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degrees. First of all we draw a triangle and give them name here 1, 2, 3. So write down here. To prove sum of the angle of a triangle is 180. In short, you can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. And construction, I construct a line, name is L, parallel to BC. Construction BC parallel to L. Now is it clear to us? Now start proof. Give them name here 4 and 5. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Reason alternate angles. And we already discussed alternate angle always make on parallel line. Now is it clear till here? And the next step, angle 2 equal to angle 3, angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 5 equal to angle 3. Next step, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. And linear pair always lie on the straight line and passing through the one point. That's why. Next step, angle 1. Instead of angle 4, should I write angle 2? Yeah. Instead of angle 5, I write angle 3 equal to 180 degree. And similarly, I prove. So, hence, prove. I repeat once again. First, I draw a figure, triangle ABC. By construction, I construct one line parallel to BC. And angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 5 equal to angle 3 by alternate angle. And what is the property of alternate angle? Z. It is the symbol of Z. Alternate angle. After that, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. According to the property of the linear pair. Sum of adjacent angle is called linear pair. Instead of 4, I write 2. Instead of 5, I write 3. Because we already proved angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 5 equal to angle 3 equal to 180. Hence proved. Question number 1. In the figure 6.39, we already draw side PQ and RQ of triangle PQR is produced to point meet at point to S and T. And if angle SPR 135 degree and PQT 110 degree, find the angle PRQ. It means this angle I found. Now students, see how to find this angle. Now I give them name here 1, 2 and this one angle 3. Angle 1 plus 135 equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 135 45. Angle 1 is equal to 45. 5. Next, angle 2 plus 110 equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Angle 2 equal to 180 minus 110. Angle 2 equal to 70 degree. But my purpose to find angle 3. Which angle I find? Find angle 3. In short, you can say that angle PRQ. I find this angle. Okay, now next, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. Sum of all angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. We proved in a theorem 6.7. Angle 1 45 degree. Angle 2 70 degree. Angle 3 we don't know because we find this angle. Angle 3 equal to 180 minus 70 plus 45 115. Now is it clear? 70 plus 45 115. Angle 3 equal to 5 6. यानी कि angle 3 equal to 165. So what value of PRQ? 65 degree. Question number 2. In a figure 6.40 we already draw angle X 62, angle XYZ 54, YO and ZO are the bisector of XYZ. What is the meaning of the bisector? Bisector meaning is it divides into the equal parts. It means this one angle is equal to this one and this one angle equal to this one. In short, you can say that angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? So, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Reason given. We are not considered from our side, it is already given in the book. Find the value of OZY. So write here, find OZY, it means angle 3, and YOZ, it means this one angle. We are considered here 5. So which angle we find? Angle 3 and 5. Now let us see how to find this angle. First of all, in a angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degrees. Reason angle sum property we are already proved in a theorem 6.7. Value of X 62, value of Y 54 plus Z equal to 180 degree. Angle Z equal to 180 minus 6, 11. And now to subtract 184, 7 minus 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. The value of Z equal to 64. Now, how to solve? Angle 4 equal to angle 3 equal to angle Z. In short, you can write angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to Z. Angle 3 plus angle 4, Z value is 64. We are already show that angle 3 equal to angle 4. So instead of 4, should I write angle 3 equal to 64? Angle 3 equal to 64 divided by 2, 3, 2. So angle 3 equal to 32 degree. Now is it clear to us? After that, we find the value of angle 5. Just wait a minute. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to Y. Angle 1, instead of angle 1, should I write angle 2, angle 2? Yeah. Because angle 2 plus angle 2, 2 angle 2. And the value of angle Y 54, angle 2 equal to 27. Am I right? So, value of 2 is equal to 27 degree. Value of angle 3 equal to 32 degree. And how to find the value of angle 5? angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. The value of 2, 27, and the value of 3, 32, because here I find the value of 2, 64 का half होता है 32, and the angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Angle 5 equal to 180 minus 9, 50, 59. So angle 5, 10 minus 9, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 1. So value of angle 5 is 121. At last, you write at the end angle 3 equal to 32 degree, and what do you say this angle? OZY equal to 32 degree, and the value of 5, 1 to 1 degree. So what do you say of the value y in a mathematical language? YOZ equal to 121 degrees. Hence proved. In sum number 3, in figure we already drawn the board. AB parallel to DE, angle BAE 35, angle CDE 53 degree. Find the angle DCE. This angle we find. Okay. So first I give them name here. Angle 1, angle 2. Now let us start. Angle 2 equal to 35 degree, reason alternate angle. And we already told you, when we are able to draw alternate angle on the figure, when two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel. So here AB and BE both are parallel given. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 55 degree equal to 180. Reason angle sum property. Angle 1 we don't know. Angle 2 35 to above. 53 equal to 180. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 88 degree. Angle 1 equal to 10 minus 8 to 92. So what the value of angle 1 is 92. So you write angle DCE equal to 92 degree. Hence proved. Sum number 4. If line PQ, RS both are intersect common point at T such that PRT 40 degree, RPT 95 degree, and TSQ 75. Find SQT. SQ and T. I want find to this number. Which number I find? Angle SQT. Now, question number 4. I give them number here. 1. Angle 1. 95 plus 40 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 135. Angle 1 equal to 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3, 4. So angle 145 degree. Okay. Now again I put number here. Angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 45 degree. Reason vertical opposite angles. and we can make a vertically opposite angle anywhere. Anywhere means the set means if two lines are intersect at common point, we can draw a alternate angle like this. It is not necessary. If two lines are parallel, then I am able to draw alternate angle. So whenever two lines are intersect at common point, the angle may or vertical opposite angle. So in the next line, angle 2 plus 75 plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. Angle 2 45 we already proved. 75 angle Q equal to 180 degree. Q equal to 180 minus 5 plus 5 10, 8 plus 4 12. So angle Q equal to 60 degree. So you write here angle SQT equal to 60 degree. Hence proved. In question number 5, PQ perpendicular RS, PQ parallel SR, angle SRQ equal to 28 degree, angle QRT 65 degree. Find the value of X and Y. Okay. Now start from here. I put number angle 1, 65 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Angle 1, 180 minus 65, 10 minus 5, 5 and 7 minus 6, 1, 1. Angle 1, 115 degree. After that, we find this one angle. But no need to find this much angle. Is it need for this angle? Yes, we need to be this angle because here you can see that Z alternate angle. So we find, if I find this angle, we are easily to describe the angle X. So again I put number here angle 2. 28 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. 28 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 value is 115 equal to 180. Angle 2 equal to 180 minus 3, 4, 1. So angle 2 equal to 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 4, 3, 37. So what value of angle 2? 37. Now we are easily to describe the value of X according to the property of alternate angles. So X equal to angle 2 equal to 37 degree. Reason alternate angles. I think till here everybody has to be clear till here. Okay. My next step, find the value of Y. Now how to find the value of Y? Angle P plus X plus Y equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property. Some student, maybe it's my logic, maybe some student, ma'am, this one is also alternate angle. This one we can write Y equal to 28 equal to reason alternate angles. Is it possible? No, it is absolutely wrong. I already told you कि alternate angle is only possible on parallel line, and in the statement I have a no written proof कि P, S and Q are both are parallel line. In the written proof I have no. So we go with angle sum property. Angle P 90 degree already given. Value of X we find 37 degree. Y equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 7, 9 plus 3, 12. Y equal to 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 2, 5. So value of y 53. Hence, at last you write down the proper value of x and the value of y. Question number 6, last questions of this exercise, but is the most important question. Most important question. Figure I already drawn on the board. The side QR and triangle PQR is produced as a point S. If the bisector of PQR and PRTS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. Okay. Now I give them name here 1 and 2. I convert into the number QTR. QTR angle 2 half of angle 1. Here. Now start proof. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 6. Already given. So instead of 4, can I write angle 3? Yes, because both are bisectors. Instead of 6, can I write angle 5? Yes, definitely. So let us start. Angle 1 plus 2 angle 3 equal to 2 angle 5. First, I draw a figure on separate side. Now, maybe you all easily understand. Suppose I draw this figure P, Q, R, and here is one line, angle 1, 3, 3, and this one exterior angle 5, 5. And according to the property of exterior angle, two interior angles are always equal to the exterior angle. So what do you write here? Exterior angle property. Clear? Why I write 2 angle 3? Because angle 3 plus angle 3 equal to 2 angle 3. Similarly, I write angle 2 angle 5. So, in the next line, again I draw one more figure here. Line P, R, Q. And here is angle 3, here is 2, and here is 5. This type of figures. And here is angle 5. Clear? Now, again I use exterior angle property, angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle 5. Clear? But here is angle 5. Exterior angle. 2 interior angle equal to the exterior angle. So, angle 3 plus angle 2 equal to angle 5. Some students ask, ma'am, why not make exterior angle here? Because I am not able to make exterior angle here. Exterior angle means complete angle. But here is not a complete angle. Here is one more line is there. That's why I am not able to make exterior angle in left hand side. So I make the exterior angle on right hand side. Angle 3 plus angle 2 equal to angle 5. Reason? Exterior angle property. Now is it clear to all? After that, put the value of, give name, first equation and second equation. Put the value of second equation in first. Angle 1, 2 angle 3 equal to 2. Here I put, instead of 5, I put the value angle 2 plus angle 3. Now I simplify this number. Angle 1, 2 angle 3 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 3. Both are cancelled because both are plus side and both are a symbol of plus, and in the center equal sign is there. That's okay. After that, angle 1 equal to 2 angle 2. Here is 2 multiply, and in this side it is reciprocal. So same thing I proved above and same thing I proved here. Hence proof. In short, you can write down in the mathematical language QTR half of angle QPR. Hence proof. Now is it clear?